14 to learners.
Asante sana. Language program. The first is Tapata accident.
Where that happens and it's brought to our attention, we are now taking action against those principals. Unless the levy is approved or it has gone through the process and it's accepted by the parents and it's gone through the ministry protocols and approval has been given and therefore it becomes legal.
One of the greatest transformation in education is the competence-based education. Kwa sababu waziri, you have actually seen in practical what that curriculum has done to our learners. They were able to display things that they have done. They are able to express themselves.